So, good day everyone. We are here to present our enrollment process using BPM and diagram. So, first start, we have enrollment, then we have gateway here, which led to log into student portal or to old student or new student. So, for the old student log into student portal, then review the subject and select, and it can view the schedule, and the enrollment will be submitted. So in the new student, it also led to a gateway which is not admitted and admitted. For the not admitted, we will apply to LSPU, then submit applications and required documents. Then you will take an exam. Then we have a pass and failed year. If you pass, you will undergo to a interview. Then you will wait for results and follow up requirements needed. Then if you fail, student will be notified, and it will go back to enrollment form, and you will be um, just to be the student the gateway. Next.
While the admitted, you will go to get medical record. Next is you will send medical records to clinic. Then it will issue medical slip. Next is to process medical slip for view and download. So next is post COR port to the portal and you will qualify checklist.
Ano mo na?
Game.
Then yun po, next is issue enrollment slip to download. Then after that, pag na-issue na po after may issue, complete forms and submit. Then after po masubmit ay papasok po sa validate requirements. Sunod naman po ay yan, encode enrollment. Then pag na-encode po enrollment, ina-notify enrollment successful. Then papasok po sa COR is ready, scheduled to be posted. Then ayun, check to COR. Ayun lang po.